You know what I come to realize between Jamaicans and Black Americans? We both use curse words, you know. But Jamaican curse words are way more aggressive. American curse words is like asshole, son of a bitch, pussy hoe. It just not have that little oomph there. No American curse word is more effective than a go suck your mother. You see the effect where that have? God damn it. Now I go do the same thing. Your pussy is not the same as a pussy. It just come off stronger. Well, goddamn. It's not the same as bumbleclot. Nigga, when I see you, it's on, nigga. I'ma pull up with that stick. Totally different from pussy. Let me see me a lick a shot in your face there. That me make you know. Hey, yo. Totally different from a boy. Sometimes I just want to thank God so me have the money in my life. How can something so wicked sleep so peaceful? I wonder if I saw him sleep and other girl them house peaceful. You never see smoke without fire, so that boy I just sleep at all them girl them house peaceful, you know. And you know say him not go sleep peaceful at my yard. God, you know me say me I go stop, me I go be a good woman, and this is a good man, and me not go do nothing. You know what? No, me have to see what happen right now. What's so good in a your sleep for your sleep so peaceful? Something is off. You know, say a girl the boy in my bed a dream about right now. You know what? Go on over. Because me need to see a which girl in a my bed you a dream about so peacefully. Miss, what is going on here? So, how much was the AC? Just give me a thing, man, cause, after me fix the AC, me did hear a little knocking wrong at the front, you know. So me figure say the car did for change some strut. Because when me did a drive, it did a wiggle, so me fix the strut. And then it did a rock whole heap, so me just fix the rock and pinion as well, you know. So me just switch it out. And then the engine. The AC. No, the AC. So me not tell you what me do, brethren, the AC. So me change the compressor and the AC, and then the engine did I make some noise, so I feel like the head gasket blow, so I change the whole engine and I change the whole transmission. Yeah, man, I change the 4 tire them, so y'all look on
Cannot take Jamaicans anywhere.
Come out of them yard and go for vacation. I'm from Jamaica.
From Jamaica?
Yes, give me the mic, give me the mic.
Jump right.
What kind of, don't curse anybody words?
No, yes,
okay.
You know.
Oh, come in the bomber club pool.
There you go. There you go, everybody.
Margarita, mamacita. Hey, make sure you make, make use of the freeness.
Comenzamos con la señorita.
I feel like them put too much salt on the rim of this.
Claro que sí.
I pressure them people that try to give me, you know.
Parte del pop.
Wanna like me tired? Wanna like me tired? No, don't like me tired.
He loves you more than you'll ever.
I know you love me, Lord. We not gonna know it. Oh, Lord. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Oh, Jesus. I know you're here, Lord. You're not left me. Jesus Christ. Hallelujah. You're not gonna know it. Yes, watch them play. Watch them enjoy themselves. Watch where smart people. No, hey, go sit down. Sit down and watch them play outside. Watch them enjoy themselves. Watch when people do work at school, where them get for do. Watch when people get F in a maths and D in a English. The language where them speak, how them enjoy themselves. Put your hand on the glass, look. Imagine that was you outside. No fireball, fire. Brimstone and fire, me can't believe it. Hey boy, what that you do? What that me see you do, youth? Pops. Look how me tell you. Okay, so you turn man now. So you grab the belt, you turn man now. Oh God, him turn man now. Him turn man in my house now. Oh man, him turn in my house now. Oh God, him raise the belt. Alright, you turn man now. Pack your things. Come. Hey girl, move from front the closet door now. And that me, hey girl, move from front the closet door. Me see a woman because somebody must in here. know how you hide. I want it. Hey boy. Come here. What you doing at my house, boy? Get up out of this, boy, and come here. How much time I can tell myself to full the ice tray one and empty it? And never me. Who for them to wash the plate them? Look at my plate on the sink. And I'm my day for wash it. I wash it yesterday. A day for wash the plate. You idiot. No, me wash plate 2 days ago. And I'm my day for wash the plate them. That's what you know. That's why I'm not cooking up. Me not cook deal come down shop. No, me head hurt me. All of a sudden your head hurt you. Oh shit in the toilet. Oh use the bathroom on the floor. Somebody in here. Me don't know how long you want to use the bathroom for. Why you have to in the bathroom for whole day? No, me you want to watch the TV now. From there you watch the TV. Tuan, shut up. Put the TV on news. No, me don't want to watch it. Tell your father to send one TV come for you then. Who see the lotion? Now yesterday me buy that bread here. I ask your grandson, cause your grandson want to eat 4 bread at a time. You see how me hide my juice at the back of the fridge or somebody come take it up. Go back in your bathroom, you know done being yet. I must take man for idiot, you know, my call like you go on like you exercise me I hear be move up in my house. Hey girl, who in my house? Who in my house? Hey girl, who in my house? How that under the bed? What kind of ear that me I sit under the bed? Hey boy. Come from under my bed, boy. Come from under my bed, boy. You know hear me? Mr. F come from under my bed, boy. Mr. F come from under my bed, boy. Hey boy. Hey, true man. Hey boy. Where are my socks, youth? Take off my socks, youth. That man you come in my house, youth. You come in my house and you have my socks, hey girl. You see you have man in my house, in my socks. You see your foot a shake, youth. As a matter of fact, hey boy. Dance. Hey boy, you deaf. Bust a move. Pon the river. Pon the bank. Kick out the foot, come here, shot in your face. In the river. Pon the bank. Logo. Me go fling some shot pan you. Hey boy. Moonwalk. Come here, little boy. Come here. Yes, I sweep the yard. Yes, say you sweep the yard. This look like it sweep to you? That look like it sweep to you? What that? What that on the floor? The yard look like it sweep to you? No, this look like it sweep to you. Look on it. This look like it sweep to you? This look like it sweep to you? The yard look like it sweep to you? What that on the floor? Now leave that. Yeah man, see me out. Talk to him. Alright. You tell your father say you're hungry. Tell your father say you're dead for thirst. Tell your father say we're there and we are suffer and we not have no money to pay for your graduate. Tell him to your graduation and next month and you need $50,000. Tell your father say you don't even have a bed for sleep on because we don't get no money for sleep on a bed. Tell him say we don't have no roof over our head and you sleep out a door. Tell him say you're naked and you don't have no clothes. Tell him say we cannot afford nothing. Tell him right now say you feel like you want to just give up because you don't feel like he might take care of you enough. Alright, come. Talk to him. See phone there, talk to him. Every time when I time for that boy, I full in belly. In your body. When me I cook, never you see myself. I help me. Nobody in the house don't help me do nothing. Me I fear do everything by myself. But when at dinner time, everybody find themselves in the kitchen. If you come look for me, for wait for me, give them something to eat. So how was it?
I mean, kind of salty, but
salty?
It's okay.
Aye. Hello. My man say the food salty. Me not appreciate how we are wait for eat salty food. Server girl, somebody come to the table, please. Salty food alert. I never come to the beach. I came to the restaurant. My man said this kind of salty, so I would appreciate if we could get a next one. Bright. As a matter of fact, we're not tipping. My man said it's salty after when they are Elsha. Jesus Christ, my boss would have killed me today. Deal. Why you use the ice tray or full back the ice tray, Deal? Why me have to come from work, come full the ice tray, Deal? Why me have to come from the... Look how the... Me nah cook. Me nah cook. Look on the sink. Look how the thing now. I'm going to mash up every spot. Watch it big old last same boy that they play a game. I'm going to mash. Me not cooking.
Marsha.
You know see me calling you?
Me not tell you you can't call me certain time of day, Marsha.
Me call it anytime I want.
My wife, they want Marsha.
Wife?
Yeah, me, and you are the real wife. Me
She
know
turn
that,
wife
but
now.
Say,
Me think you forget.
Me must say me have to get the green card first.
You have the green card
No
already.
man, the green card they different. That are the first green card. Me have to get the second green card, the 10-year. So me have to stick around
for them are gonna come in now?
Yeah man, so me now go file for you and the picnic them man.
Oh.
Me take up everybody man.
When that time, I been a wait. When you come to Jamaica?
No man, me soon come back to Jamaica man. Me soon. Me I can tell her right now. Me
Your son and daughter want to see you.
Come to Jamaica, come look for her. Hold on.
Babes. What is it, babe?
Rufus dead.
Rufus died? Didn't he die last
No,
month?
him dead again.
He died again?
Yo, the
Oh
man
my
can't
God.
dead this man. Yo, me have to go to Jamaica.
Wow.
Another funeral again.
No, but them here big door. Don't need more than 3. Good one, them always wrong. I back. Taste some by grape. No. Take one more just in case. Make sure so none of the egg are no crack. $10 for can? No, sir, me do without. This look alright, you know, but this less than $1 cheaper. Let me get this one. Organic chicken. So what them one are fake. $3.99. Ah, see one here, $3.98. Let me take that one here. For crackers, you must be mad no Ras. Them toilet paper you must have wipe Jesus body. I can't regular people. Imagine that. Dog I eat better than me a foreign to rotted. Deal! Come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Boy, little boy. People, you see how the fucking yard make up so much nice in my place, little boy. Let me tell you this. Jump on the bumbo class settee again. Jump on the settee again. Jump on it. Yo. Listen to me. Stop the ramping in my house. Not true. You see people. No car people over here. A whole heap of money me spend for my settee. Now we have to go back outside. Come. Later. Dale.
Yes, babes.
Me not think this a workout no more.
What we do?
Me feel like we need to move on. You know you're so handsome. Give me a kiss. I saw you kiss your other girl them. And your other girl them you kiss her. Anyways, pack your things and come out of my house. Pack your things and come out of my house. Sometimes I really appreciate you, you know. All of the things that what you do for me sometimes, I'm so happy to have a man like you in my life. Bridging, you know, buy nothing put in here. Why you keep on a use off my lotion? Who y'all lotion up for? Who y'all lotion up for in my house? Rub on the lotion here, come like when your skin just moist. When your skin moist, I just want to kiss you. Hey, and my man this up. But come out of my house, same.